Hi, I'm Pranav Hasin. I look after seller experience for the India marketplace. We've constantly innovated on ways in order to help a large number of sellers succeed. And today I'm here to talk to you about one such mechanism that we have devised, which is expert help through service providers. Meet Jane, who's recently started selling on Amazon. I'm sure this is a familiar sight to you when you started selling online as a seller. So, Jane is really entrepreneurial, she is really enthusiastic about her business. She wants to build a brand, she wants to scale her business quickly. She has a lot of products that she wants to get listed, and she also wants to grow her business through exports. Like, who doesn't want to do all of that? But as Jane thinks about all of these things, she feels very, very overwhelmed with the number of tasks that she needs to perform. And she has a tough time figuring out how does she do all of this? How does she take time to do all of this? And she runs a small company, so she can't possibly hire so many people to do all of these different things in order to grow her business. So what does she do? Naturally, she goes online and searches for help. And what she finds there is even more perplexing. She finds thousands of service provider websites, all of them promising things, but it's impossible for her to know which one she should go to. And there are sites that are even promising a dramatic change in results in a short time frame. It almost sounds magical. But Jane knows very well that magic doesn't happen in business. Business is hard work, and therefore she does not even know whom to trust, whose claims to look at and evaluate on what basis. Do they even know how to run a business on Amazon? So finally, she goes and talks to a friend who started selling online a few years back. And when she talks to him, he advises her to go to service provider network. And rest is history for Jane. So let me take a moment to walk you through what is service provider network and how it changed the life for Jane. So service provider network, you can think of it as a marketplace of experts who can help you grow your business. And it's a group of experts who've built expertise in different parts of e-commerce life cycle. Somebody knows advertising really well, somebody knows transportation really well, somebody knows international selling really well, and so on. And collectively, all of them can really help you grow your business and take it where you want it to. You can think of it as a great way to take the load of execution off your shoulders, so that you can free up your time to do what you do best, which is build partnerships, think about your business strategy, and really focus on growing your business. So how do you find service provider network? So if you are selling on Amazon, you'll have an account at Seller Central. All you need to do is go to Seller Central, look at the services menu, and you'll see a list of service providers classified by the services that they provide. Additionally, you will see filters that you can use to identify service providers who can talk to you in your language, who are located in your region, who do business in the countries where you want to expand, and so on. And all of these filters can help you choose the right kind of service provider at the cost that you are willing to pay. What's more, we have a very strict predefined criteria for service providers being onboarded into this ecosystem. And therefore, all service providers go through a vetting process before they are listed, and therefore you can trust them. The second thing is that these service providers also go through a training which coaches them on Amazon standards, Amazon guidelines, Amazon processes, and some of these policies actually change over a period of time. So we also do repeat trainings to make sure that service providers continue to stay on top of the recent changes. So that's another thing that you can be assured of, that service providers on service provider network will be trained and up to date on all Amazon policies. The third thing is that there are lots of sellers who've already used these service providers. And when a seller uses a service provider, we ask them for feedback, we ask them for ratings, we ask them for reviews. All of that is available to you in order to make your choice for who the right service provider is to help you. And when you start looking for service providers, the system ranks them in the order of performance so that the ones that stay on top are the ones that show up more often and are the ones that you can easily choose and go ahead with. Now, let's dig a little bit deeper into the kind of services that are supported and how service provider network actually helps you across the life cycle stages of your business growth. And there are 18 services that are supported. We'll get started with services that you may need to use as you start your new business on Amazon. So what's the first thing that you need? You need great quality photographs for the products that you are selling, right? Now, as you look at taking those photos, depending on the category that you are selling in, there are certain requirements that are there as a part of the standard Amazon imaging guidelines. So for example, when you are selling apparel, you may need model photo shoots. If you are selling shiny objects, you may need to set up lighting in a certain way. And these service providers know all of these details and they are well equipped in order to help you with the right kind of images to showcase your products. The next thing is to describe your product really well. The title of your product, the keywords that you use, the way you describe it, all of these things go a long way in helping consumers discover your products and in driving up sales. And there are service providers who are experts at cataloging. Training is the third thing that you need when you are getting started and you really need to know what are the tools, what are the processes. You may have a team that's supporting you and they may need to be trained on what's the right way to sell on Amazon. And there are service providers who can train you and your team on tools and processes for selling online. And last but not the least, if you are entrepreneurial, you may want to build a brand. And we have IP Accelerator that helps you very quickly register your trademark. Moving on, as your business starts moving, as you start looking at operational details, there are services to help you with account management. So let's say you spend a lot of your time meeting with clients, meeting with partners, and exploring new ways to scale. You need somebody behind the scenes who understands how to run operations and how to run your business and who takes care of it. So that's what account management is. You go off on a 2-week vacation, an account manager will make sure that your business keeps running behind the scenes without, like clockwork, without any pause, and you can just seamlessly go on a vacation and not worry about it at all. Then we have service providers who can help you with accounting and taxes. And here, service providers know intricate details of how payment reconciliation works, what are the taxation rules in different countries, how do you file tax returns, how do you look at profitability reports, and they can demystify all of this for you and make life simple. If you are using Fulfilled by Amazon, then there are service providers who can take care of excess inventory, service providers who can make sure that your products are labeled and packaged properly for seamless inbounding into fulfillment centers so that there are no issues between your shipping the product and the fulfillment center receiving it. And finally, as you start looking at growing your business, advertising is the first thing that you focus on. And in really making advertising work for you, it is important to know the right keywords, it's important to set up brand stores, social media campaigns, and then constantly monitor those campaigns for performance and keep fine-tuning, keep optimizing it. So service providers who are experts in advertising optimization know all of these mechanisms and they can do it for you. Then we have service providers who are experts in A+ cataloging. And A+ is a method for richer descriptions of products. And these service providers know how to use A+ templates, how to use the right set of photos to bring out the richness in the products that you are selling in order to convince customers to buy. And finally, for those of you who are looking at expanding your business internationally, there are service providers who deal with compliance and product testing. Your products need to be certified to make sure that they are actually compatible with the guidelines in the other country. So service providers can help you with all of that. And they can also help you with shipping the products to a different country and making sure that you're really growing that business without putting a lot of capital into it. So service provider network today is available in 17 marketplaces, and that covers United States, Europe, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Singapore, Japan, Australia, and India. So no matter where you are located, no matter what country you want to expand to, you will find service providers to support and grow your business. So with all of that, Jane is now really, really relaxed, and she knows that SPN is there to meet her needs whenever she needs it. And just to give you some statistics, overall 110,000 sellers have utilized services from various service providers till date. Over 650 plus orders flow into these service providers on a daily basis. And service providers currently have an excellent rating among sellers. You'll find 4.5 star plus rated service providers in the marketplace. And as I wrap it up, I'll leave you with some of these testimonials from sellers who've benefited from these services. Lawrence used service providers for imaging and got a great lift in sales. Mariana used them for account management and saw growth in her business. And Himanshu used them for A+ and saw a lift in his business. And you can also use service providers in order to take that load off your shoulders and really grow your business without worrying about adding a lot of people to your team or building expertise in multiple areas. That's what service providers are for. Service providers are for taking a load off your shoulders in order to help you scale. In case you're looking for where to find it, we have the URL on the screen right here. Just go there and avail these services and grow your business. Thanks a lot.